Wait, listen
Maybe
slowly.
that's
This is my weekend. A simple weekend, but very special. Maybe like yours. Maybe better. Maybe worse. Let's find out together. I wake up late. Very, very late. No alarm today. No stress today. I stay in bed just a little longer. Maybe 5 minutes. Maybe 10. I stretch slowly. My body feels light. I open my eyes. Hello, new day. I walk to the kitchen, slow and relaxed. I feel a little hungry. Very hungry now. I cook simple food, eggs and bread. I pour hot tea, warm and calming. I take one bite. So good. I close my eyes, enjoy the taste. No rush today. Everything feels slow. I see my room. Oh no, messy. Clothes on chair, books on floor, everything everywhere. Okay, let's clean. I pick my clothes, one by one. I fold them neatly, nice and tidy. I sweep the floor. Dust is flying. Go away, dust. Now my room shines. So clean, so fresh. I sit on the sofa. I open my phone. Just 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. I watch funny videos. So funny. So silly. I cannot stop laughing. Again and again. Time moves fast. Very, very fast. Already afternoon? I call my friend. Ring, ring. Hello. We both laugh. We talk about life. We share stories. Some are funny. Some are crazy. I feel happy inside. Very happy. I go outside. The air feels fresh. Cool wind touches me. So nice. So calm. I walk slowly, step by step. I see children playing, running, laughing. I buy some snacks, sweet and crunchy, my favorite taste. The sky turns orange, then slowly dark. I look at stars, so bright, so beautiful. Wow. I take a warm shower. Water feels amazing. I eat my dinner, simple but delicious. I watch a movie, just one movie, maybe two. My eyes feel heavy, so sleepy now. I lie on bed, soft and comfortable.
Good
Good
night.
night, Saturday.
Good night, Saturday.
I wake up early. Yes, early today. I feel different, fresh, and ready. I make hot coffee. Smells so good. I sit quietly. Peaceful morning. Birds are singing. Nature feels alive. I meet my family. We smile together. We talk and laugh. We eat lunch together. So much food. So many flavors. I feel so full. Too full. We share stories, old memories. My heart feels warm, very warm inside. The sun goes down, slowly, quietly. I feel a little sad. Weekend is ending. I prepare for Monday. Books, bag, ready. Everything is set. I lie on bed. Lights are off. I think about weekend. Simple, but beautiful. Not perfect, but meaningful. I close my eyes. I feel thankful for small moments, for simple joy. Good night, weekend. Now, tell me, what did you do this weekend? Write in comments. I want to read. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe too. Let's learn together, slowly, every day. See you next time. Bye-bye.